Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by installing and enabling the mod. This is the only way to get Write Everywhere functionality. First, confirm the mod version matches your game patch, because mismatches break assets. Once placed into the mods folder, open the game and activate it in the Content Manager. Make sure to restart if prompted. Doing this ensures the system hooks into the UI and prepares the tools you'll use next, so you can modify labels and signs in-game immediately. You now access the right tool from the mod toolbar and select the surface you want to edit. Choose roads, facades, signposts, or ground. Each surface has specific snap and scale behavior, so test a small area first. Once chosen, type your text, pick font and color, set size and alignment, and use the preview to check scale at camera distance. If alignment looks off, adjust anchor points. This controls how the text follows curved roads or building edges. Finish by committing your edits and saving the city. Make sure the labels persist after a reload, because persistence is the main verification step. If text clips or disappears at distance, tweak occlusion, LOD, and collision settings in the tool. These control visibility and physics interaction. If problems persist, disable conflicting UI or text mods, inspect the game log for errors, and reinstall or update the mod. Remember,
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.